Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add video transitions in CapCut for PC. So here I've already added two clips into my timeline in CapCut PC, and I want to add transitions into it. So first you need to go to the transition tab at the top, and here just choose which one that you want to use. I'm going to just use the trending transition here. I'm gonna use the blurred highlight, so you can just click on the plus icon to add it to track, and it will be added in here. And you can also make some adjustment to the transition. You can adjust the duration in here. Then after that you can apply it to all of the clips if you have more than one two videos. You can just click on apply. Then to see the to preview, you can just play the video like that. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.